Good morning. Happy Saturday morning. This morning we're not eating out. We're not eating anything fancy. We were so disappointed with the breakfast yesterday that we're gonna just get some pastries and eat them in the room with coffee. Yeah, a good rest. It's 9:35 right now, and Gina's still back in the room, taking a shower, getting herself all beautified, all pretty and everything. Because today, for lunch, we're gonna go to von Bismarck, a German restaurant that I found through Apple Maps. It's got a 4.5-star rating on Yelp. The photos of the food look really good, and the establishment. So we'll check it out today. So, slight change of plans. We had planned to eat at von Bismarck today, but they don't open up until 4 p.m. So we've come to Bavarian World instead. We've been here before. They also have a little deli and a shop. Let's go inside. Face mask required. Oh, Freistaat Bayern. Freistaat Bayern. Not too busy. You want to eat first?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna eat first. So they're getting our table ready. Should be another couple minutes. Hopefully not too long. We're starving.
I ran out of rolls, so all I have is pretzel rolls. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we love pretzel rolls.
Okay. Oh, if you want to sit on this side, you can.
Okay.
If you want to sit, okay?
Thank you.
Right. You want a container for the
Okay, so lunch at Bavarian World was disappointing. I mean, it was disappointing the last time as well, which was about 2 years ago. We were hoping it may have improved, but it hasn't, so I didn't even bother recording it. Just disappointing. I'll show you guys a picture of the food. Looks really good, but the spätzle had no flavor. The red cabbage was just straight out of the jar. They didn't add any apple or spices to it. And I'll continue in a moment. So yeah, what I was saying was we were disappointed by the Bavarian World. The food was not as good as we had expected. I mean, it wasn't good 2 years ago either. And we wanted to go eat at von Bismarck for lunch instead, but because it was closed, didn't open until 4 p.m., we decided to go to Bavarian World instead. So this evening for dinner, our plans were to go to Romanza, a nice Italian restaurant, or Bimini, which is a steakhouse here inside the Peppermill Resort and Casino. And both of those restaurants are fully booked. So we're gonna go to von Bismarck and have dinner there. I get all these weird looks from people walking by. I think I'm talking to myself. So, okay, we're here at von Bismarck. Let's go inside and check it out.
What are you filming? Is it a good day?
It's a very good day.
Yeah.
All right, we made it. We're here, guys. Let's see what let's check out the menu. Let me get out of the way. Okay, we have Schnitzel à la Holstein, Jägerschnitzel, Schweineschnitzel, Lammchops, House Pickles, Brezel, Currywurst Reis, Loks, Flammküche. Okay, that's Flammeküche. Cucumber salad, arugula salad, Papa cabbage salad. Best Wurst. Am besten Wurst. Otto's Bierwurst. Otto's Best Wurst. I can't even read. Spätzle, Käsespätzle, Sauerkraut, Grillkraut, roasted Brussels sprouts. Do you see something you like, Gina?
Not yet, probably, but the salad is the cucumber salad.
Cucumber salad sounds good. Maybe a cucumber salad and currywurst fries?
Sure.
Currywurst fries, good. Interesting. And then well, that's the appetizer.
Or pretzel, whatever it is.
Brezel, house mustard, and quark.
What's that? Pop.
That's like sour cream.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we had Jägerschnitzel for lunch. Maybe we get Schweinschnitzel, which is just a regular schnitzel. I'm gonna get a schnitzel. Schweinschnitzel.
What's we doing over here?
Alright, so the cucumber salad just arrived. It's got dill on it, and some kind of, looks like a mustard cream. Let's give it a try. The music. I might need to cut the music out. Good. I like it. What about you? It's refreshing. It's got a bit of a bite to it. Oh, it's really good. The dill is a great summertime herb. Goes great in salads, on fish. Good. Thumbs up. Pretzel has arrived and the Brussels sprouts have arrived. Wow, look at that pretzel.
Looks good.
The sweet mustard and quark. Brussels sprouts. Look at that.
This is the German. Not the one.
The food is already much better than at the Bavarian World. I was really disappointed by that. We both were, actually. Ooh, wow. It's got a roasted over an open fire taste to it. Very good. It's a little bit charred, but that just adds to the flavor.
Maybe this one's salty.
Pretzel's still warm. Get the mustard and the quark.
Yeah, this good.
A lot of salt. Right. I'm gonna try this just plain. It's really hard to find authentic German pretzels here in the US. The closest that I've come to finding real authentic German pretzel, as far as taste, was at Universal Studios down in Los Angeles. Let's see. Close. Close. So good. Let's try it with mustard. I'm gonna use my knife here. Okay. o'clock. Good. Oh wow. Thank you so much. Okay, so I saw one of the cooks. He was grilling some bread over there on the fire, and I asked the lady what he was doing, and he said she said it was for the ham and cheese toast, or for the lox, the toasted lox. So I asked her if I could try the bread, just like a slice. They make it themselves, and she brought me three slices. It's good. I think the grilling brings out more of the flavor. Very good. I like it. All right, Gina, can you repeat what you just said?
I said I like everything. It's very good.
Did you hear that? She likes everything. It's very good, she said. Food's coming.
Jaeger schnitzel.
Jaeger goes right there.
Oh,
yeah.
do I switch them?
Schweineschnitzel. Wow. Dankeschön. Thank you. Ooh, look at that.
Take a picture.
Look at that. Damn. See yours, Gina. Okay, if you're Austrian, close your eyes. This is sacrilegious to schnitzel. But look at that. Germans drool over this. Austrians like the traditional schnitzel like this without any sauce. That's really good. Oh, thank you. All right. Let's try this. Man. Plates are definitely too small for this. Look at that.
Look at the bite.
Hot. Crispy. It's good. It's good. Good, good. Blow. Oh yeah.
Very good.
Very good?
Okay.
Sure. Wow. That was different. It was good. Very interesting. Very good. So I only put lemon juice on one lemon because we're not sure if I'm going to be able to finish this tonight or today. Hot.
This is good sauce, not the one that.
Good sauce, yeah. The sauce is much better than at Bavarian World. I'm sure back in the day, Bavarian World was good, but it just seems like, based on the attitude of the workers there, that they have lost their passion. So, dill and green onion, some Parmesan it looks like. Parmesan? What? And chives. Another look. All right, guys. I think we're done here. It was very good. We enjoyed it. We recommend it. Von Bismarck in Reno. Post. All right, so we're back in the car. We're leaving the Von Bismarck right now. I think the general consensus is the food was very good. We recommend it, and we would definitely go back again. Right? Thumbs up from Gina and from me.
Continuous recording will now start.
Continuous recording will now start.
GPS connected.
A GPS connected. All right, we'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below.